Express!
Christmas vocabulary quiz.
Level 1. Listen and choose. Christmas tree. Christmas tree. Snowman. Snowman. Stocking. Stocking. Presents. Presents. Candy cane. Candy cane. Level 2. What's missing? Presents. Stocking. Elf. Bells. Snowman. Christmas tree. What's missing? Stocking. Presents. Stocking. Elf. Bells. Snowman. Christmas tree. What's missing? Bells. Presents. Stocking. Elf. Bells. Snowman. Christmas tree. What's missing? Elf. Presents. Stocking. Elf. Bells. Snowman. Christmas tree. What's missing? Snowman. Level 3. Quick Flash. Watch out. What's that? It's Santa Claus.
Ho, ho, ho!
Watch out. What's that? It's a reindeer. Watch out. What's that? It's an elf.